In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a button in Wix in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned website developer or someone who's just starting out, this walkthrough will guide you step by step in adding buttons to your Wix site effortlessly. Let's begin by logging into your Wix account. If you haven't done so already, head over to the Wix website and enter your login details. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to your site's dashboard. Now, from your dashboard, you'll see an option that says Design Site. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you forward to the next crucial step in customizing your website. You'll now find yourself in your Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens. In this powerful editor, you can really start bringing your website to life. Now focus your attention on the left-hand side of your screen. There, you'll find an icon labeled Add. It's typically represented by a plus sign. Give that a click. This is the gateway to adding various elements to your site, and of course, we're focusing on buttons today. After clicking the Add icon, you'll see multiple options at your disposal. Look for the one labeled Button. It's exactly what we need. Once you've found it, click on it, and you'll be presented with a range of button styles to choose from. Wix offers a variety of button types. There are text and icon buttons, themed buttons, and icon buttons. Each of these options can suit different design preferences, so consider what might complement your site best. Once you've chosen a button style that fits your site, it's time to add it to your web page. You have a couple of options here. You can either drag the chosen button directly onto the desired location on your page, which is a very intuitive and visual approach. Alternatively, you can simply click the button style, and Wix will add it to your page automatically. As you place the button, take a moment to adjust its position and size to ensure it fits well with the overall design of your site. Consider aspects like how it aligns with other elements and whether it's easily accessible and noticeable for your site's visitors. Congratulations! You've now successfully added a button to your Wix site. This small element can make a big impact, improving user experience and guiding visitors to take action. Whether it's signing up for a newsletter, purchasing a product, or exploring more parts of your website. Remember, good design is all about making your site functional while maintaining its aesthetic. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and straightforward. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow guides on enhancing your online